Out here on the river again. Different river this time. Out chasing some coho. Hopefully gonna get some today. It looks like a lot of the pinks cleared up. So, and I'm marking some, so hopefully get lucky and get a couple or one at least. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in as always, and hope you enjoyed this video. So this river is pretty known, but I'm not gonna say where it's at. If you know where it's at, then you know. But the last video I posted when I was river fishing, people were getting mad for blowing up the river, but everybody knows that river, so I'm not sure what the problem was. I never showed an exact spot, so yeah. So if I'm fishing the river, I'm not gonna say its name, so yeah, if you know, you know. No. What we got? Ooh, come on. Ooh. Coho! Let's go! Let's go! First one on the boat.
Nice. Chicken?
No, pink hoochie, silver blade. Oh, not too bad. Looks like you got some damage from the nets. Hey, careful guys, fish and wildlife on the helicopter coming. No. Alright guys, I am calling it a day. Only got that one coho and got one other bite, but came off, so yeah, the coho run's pretty much slowing down now here in the rivers and in the sound, so try to get out and get what you can. Probably have some more push throughout October, but it's not as the weather's pretty crap too, so sorry about that plane lifting off. But yeah, all in all, it was a good day, so glad I still made it out and fished this river. It's been a while since I really fished this river that well. Mostly stuck to the sound this season since pinks were in. This river was full of pinks. I came out that one other time, but ended up with just pinks and released them, so yeah. Coho usually wait a little bit longer until the pinks come in. Sometimes they intertwine together, but they usually wait. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys next time.